Welcome to Training the Trainer. I'm Blandon with Learning and Development here at Ratermann. And here's something that I learned quickly. When it comes to vaporizers, size really does matter. See, it's easy to focus on pressure or specs, but when a vaporizer is undersized or misunderstood, the impact of that shows up everywhere in the system. Today, I want to share how vaporizers started to make sense to me. One of the biggest breakthroughs for me was understanding actually where the vaporizer lives. It sits between the tank and the tool. Its job is simple. It takes cryogenic liquid and turns it into gas that the customer can actually use. So when there's typically a problem, it's not pressure related. It's related to a vaporizer that can't keep up. This is the shift that changed my thinking about vaporizers. They're not sized by pressure, they're sized by flow. So when the gas is not moving fast enough, the entire system struggles. This is why the rule of thumb is to always size up, typically by 20%. Undersizing doesn't fail quietly. It shows up everywhere else. Another thing I didn't realize was how much location actually mattered. Different climates require different calculations to get to the appropriate vaporizer. So a vaporizer that's installed in Minnesota is working under very different conditions than one that is installed in Texas. One more important detail, vaporizers are typically rated on an 8-hour cycle. The rating assumes how long the vaporizer will be in duty. So if the application calls for the vaporizer to run longer or harder or closer to 24 hours, that changes the sizing conversation. Flow, environment, and duration all have to line up. And one more practical sign I've learned to look out for, excessive icing. Now there will always be ice present on a cryogenic unit, but excessive icing on a vaporizer is trying to tell you something. Either it's too small, it's working too hard, or in the environment that it's in, it is not helping it do its job. Sun exposure, indoor installs, and temperature all matter. And one more thing that never changes. If cryogenic product is trapped between two valves, a pressure relief valve is required. Cryogenic systems don't forgive shortcuts. The biggest takeaway for me has been this, that vaporizers work best when they're sized according to flow, environment, and duration. I'm still learning, but every time a little bit more of this clicks, I become a better trainer and a better resource for our teams. Speaking of our teams, how about you reach out to one of your local, reliable Ratermann representatives? Also, visit us at our website at www.rmiorder.com. This is Training the Trainer. We'll keep learning together. Till next time.